Just thought I'd come down and check out your operation. And you're like, oh, decided not to have it.
Yeah.
You guys aren't seeing me, right? My camera?
No.
Okay.
Move, let me see. Got it? Like, yeah.
Okay.
So you just want to run it really quick?
Like, I don't know, are you going to do something? Because when you deep
Hey, Uncle Ron. Welcome to Bikini Valley Car Wash.
Right now we don't see it.
Oh, no, that's fine. Okay.
Can't read them? Here, you want me to read them out to you?
Oh, yeah, we can do one line at a time because we'll switch
Okay.
back and forth.
Then I'll just read them out to you.
All right. And
Looking good, sweetie. Looking good. I thought I'd come down and check out your operation. That's the first one.
okay.
Huh? I can read them out one by one because I don't think he's doing a full. He can. We can read them out one by one. I don't think I have my.
What?
I don't have my reading glasses with me.